Imagine needing a complete set of tools, equipment, and a workshop to build something incredible, but you only pay for what you use, when you use it, and someone else handles all the maintenance of the workshop itself. That is the magic behind a foundational cloud service model. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, empowers organizations by providing virtualized computing resources over the internet. This means you can quickly spin up virtual machines, storage, and networking without having to buy or manage physical hardware. Common use cases include hosting websites and web applications, developing and testing new software, and setting up disaster recovery sites. The core reason IaaS is so powerful lies in its flexibility and scalability. Instead of capital expenditures on servers, you pay operational expenses for exactly what you consume. This model allows businesses to adjust their computing resources up or down rapidly based on demand, which is critical for handling traffic spikes or seasonal workloads. You manage the operating systems, applications, and data, while the cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure like servers, virtualization, networking, and storage hardware. This separation of responsibilities significantly reduces the burden on your internal IT team. For practical application, consider a few scenarios. Many companies use IaaS to host their production websites and web applications, leveraging the ability to scale compute resources automatically during peak hours. Another popular use is for development and testing environments. Teams can quickly provision and decommission virtual machines for specific projects, avoiding long procurement cycles for hardware. Furthermore, IaaS is excellent for creating robust disaster recovery solutions, allowing you to replicate your critical data and systems to a different geographical region for business continuity, often at a lower cost than maintaining a separate physical site. An insider detail is the concept of a virtual private cloud, or VPC. This allows you to provision a logically isolated section of the cloud where you can launch resources in a virtual network that you define. This gives you fine-grained control over your network environment, including your own IP address ranges, subnets, route tables, and network gateways. This level of isolation and control is a key differentiator for IaaS, enabling secure and custom network architectures. Another interesting aspect is the ability to leverage a vast ecosystem of third-party tools and services that integrate seamlessly with major IaaS platforms, extending their capabilities even further. Ultimately, embracing IaaS means gaining unprecedented agility and cost efficiency for your computing needs. By offloading infrastructure management, you free up your team to focus on innovation and developing core business applications, transforming how you build, deploy, and scale your digital presence.